The lesson I cherish the most is how important it is to love what you do. If you love what you do and it's making you happy, all the hard work and perseverance will pay off. I once had a guidance counselor tell me that I shouldn't play basketball, that it would never amount to anything for me. His negativity towards me made me stronger.
I ain't here to be just mediocre. I ain't gonna be an average Joe when it's over. Nah, I ain't the type that's ever gonna settle. I ain't taking less than the first place medal. The first one in the gym and last one to leave. I be putting in work cause I got goals to achieve. Watching all the tapes and studying the greats. Learning what I can so I can have what it takes to get to the top spot so I can leave my mark. I'm fearless, ferocious, and boy I got heart. I might not be the tallest, I might not be the strongest, but you don't wanna go against me in a contest. Ain't a person that can match my work ethic. Black Mamba mindset, I'm never coming second. I know what I want and I work hard to get it. No matter how you feel about me, you know you respect it.
You can't stop people from trying to limit your dreams, but you can stop it from becoming a reality. Your dreams are up to you.
Okay, here's the moment of truth. We got our remote switch. The USB is plugged in for the controller. We've got power tied in. And now we're gonna plug this in and see what happens. Okay. Oh, pretty quick. This one is vibrating because we still have to calibrate the other one. So right now we're doing the calibration, even though I'm not on the ground. I just want to get the system going. Sounds good. That's very hot, so be very careful not to touch it. Burn myself. Already. So while it's doing this calibration, we're just going to walk you through. I've got my 12 volt taps right here, 230 amp fuses, the ground's right there, excess wires up in there, goes around. Height sensors are not installed, but the wires are already run. It's kind of a mess. 12 volt tap, USB. Calibration successful, ready to use. Exit. So I only got this thing going 150 PSI. Let's see. Well, my friends, I think it's been another successful day. I actually got a chance to wash her, clean her up a bit. Right now we're at this 125. Let's go ahead and drop it. Cold. And that's only taking it to 30 PSI. If I go to 0, it's over. So there's the setup. We air it up. myself. Yeah. We're good, baby. We're good. So I got this thing a little backwards looking just because of the way the hoses go. But looking pretty clean. Just got to get some LEDs back here. And of course we'll put some stickers on there. Shout out to MTM Auto Works, Parts 3 Express, AY Customs, and of course Tesla Club SoCal for everything you guys do to help me out. And of course, can't have a clean car unless I got croftgateusa protecting it, thanks to DIY auto detailing supplies.
Please know I'm thinking of you, supporting you, and encouraging you always.